It is impossible to understand the meaning of life without reflection on the essence of human. If we want to know the meaning and the purpose of something, it is necessary to study its nature and basis first. The need for such reflection and study is intensified when we want to talk about human and understand the meaning of life. We know that the essence means the intrinsic nature, origin, and principle. So, when we talk about the essence of human, the main idea is about the origin and principle. What I want to tell you about the essence of human is an extract and a summary of the books of anthropology, philosophy, psychology, biology, and the subjects related to the mind and consciousness. However, literature and the words of the writers should not be ignored. The key factor and interesting point here is that if we gather all the ideas raised in the mentioned subjects and look for a word that represents the core idea of all these issues about the human essence, that word will be the wisdom. So, the essence of human is wisdom.